Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you popping? You guys, today your girl is back. I told you guys I'm gonna be coming here more often. Thank you guys for the love. I love how you guys show me love anytime I come here. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Today I have new hair. As you can tell, this hair is beautiful. You guys, let's take a minute. Appreciate this short curly hair. Like, you know, curly hair is good on its own, but when it's short, oh my god, it's even more beautiful. You guys, it's summer and you need this wig in your life. Effortless, you know, simple, easy to install. You guys, because it's short, so it's easy. You can manage it, and it's very manageable as well. You guys, this wig is from Aligrace, okay? Aligracehair. I'm going to put the link to this hair I'm wearing in the description box. Aligracehair, okay? You need to add this wig to your collection because it's so beautiful. Like, I'm feeling myself, you guys. It's so beautiful. So all I did was just to apply moves, nothing much, you know, very easy going. It's summer, so you need a short wig in your life, you know. And you can wear this wig anywhere. Even if the president call you, you can wear this wig. And the good thing about this wig is it looks natural. If you didn't see me installing this hair, I bet you would think this is my hair. I love this wig so much. So if you guys want to see how I install this hair, please keep watching. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys love this wig. Like I said, link to Aligracehair is gonna be in the description box. You guys remember to tell me I am popping, okay? Look at me, look at your girl. Remember to tell me I am popping in the comment section. Or am I not popping? Am I not popping? I am popping. And you too can pop. All you need to do is what? Check under this video and buy your one, okay? Check under this video. Affordable as well. So why not if not? So we can pop together. We are popping. Bye guys.